I had to try this viral fan that claims to have a 15-hour battery life. It's handheld and apparently really ergonomic, so let's see what's in the box. It does actually come really nicely packaged with this instruction manual. It's got a nice little charging cable. Oh, it's USB-C. Much appreciated. I always appreciate a USB-C over a micro USB port because those things just break all the time. Here's a handy little lanyard for wearing it around your neck. You can see the charging port right there. Oh, wow, this folds down nice and small. Look at that. It stands on its own. It actually clicks into place so you can position it. It's not going to like slowly droop down. Several different speeds: speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and speed 4. This is a high quality blow. I don't know how else to word this, but I like that I can angle this using this, clicky feature. This holds really nicely in my hand. I'm really impressed.